So because of this big fold out here, I can't use my traditional top cover for this because it won't fold up. It can't. This is very stiff, and also it juts out. It's too much material for it to have to cover and still be able to get on both sides. So I got this thing. This is made out of spandex, and it's got some form fitting to it, but it's not. There's no top or bottom to it. So we're going to put it on. So this has a cleaner look than what it does without, but I still prefer the look of the original. But we're going to take this for a test drive and see if it stays on. I'm going to take it on the highway, just regular going around. It's kind of a breezy day today, so this will help be a good test for it. So here we go. There goes my test drive. See how well it stays on in the wind. See how well it stays on going around the highway. And it's a beautiful day today too. My wife was just commenting yesterday after we were doing some yard work how there's a different shade of blue to the sky here in Utah than there is in Illinois. It seems like it's a little more brilliant of a blue, if that makes any sense. We're up about 4,000 feet higher in elevation, so I think that might have something to do with it. But I don't know. I have no scientific data to support that claim. Wow. The wind is a lot stronger coming north than it is going south. Yeah, it's way windier this way. I think there was a north wind. So I noticed that no matter how fast I was going or how much wind was blowing, this retained its shape. Didn't come undone from where it's tucked under. Yeah, I like it. I prefer the actual real one that has the snaps and stuff. And I might end up installing some snaps on those reinforced areas, but just because I like the look of it, you know. That being said, this was a very successful test of this, so this works well. It doesn't look as good, but it looks better than not having one at all. So yeah, it's a win.